and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the daily habits that can help you make money online faster, how these small actions compound over time, why most people overlook them, and what you should start doing every single day if you're serious about building consistent income online. If you are coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and click on the notification icon so that you will be notified whenever I share a new video. In this channel, I release regular updates and tips on how to make money online and become more effective in online platforms. Now let's get into the topic in more detail. One of the biggest misconceptions about making money online is the belief that success depends only on finding the right opportunity. Many people spend months jumping from one online method to another: affiliate marketing today, freelancing tomorrow, and content creation the next week, hoping that one of them will suddenly start generating money. However, the truth is that making money online is usually built on daily habits rather than lucky opportunities. Behind most successful online entrepreneurs, freelancers, and content creators is a set of routines they follow consistently. These habits help them stay productive, learn faster, build credibility, and create opportunities that eventually lead to income. In the digital world, consistency often beats talent. A person who spends a little time every day learning, building, and improving their online presence will usually outperform someone who works intensely for a few days and then stops for weeks. This is very important because many online income streams take time to grow. Whether you are freelancing, building an audience, or selling digital products, progress is usually gradual. The people who succeed in making money online are those who stay disciplined long enough for their efforts to compound. In this video, we will explore daily habits that can help you move faster toward making money online. These habits are simple but powerful, and when practiced consistently, they can significantly increase your chances of success in the digital economy. With that in mind, let's now take a look at some daily habits that can help you make money online faster. One habit that separates productive online earners from those who struggle is the habit of starting the day with clear goals. When you work online, there is often no boss supervising your schedule. While this freedom can be exciting, it can also lead to distractions and wasted time if you are not intentional about how you spend your day. Successful online workers usually begin their day by identifying the most important tasks that move them closer to income. This could include reaching out to potential clients, creating content, improving a skill, or completing work for existing customers. Without this clarity, it is very easy to spend hours scrolling through social media, watching tutorials without applying them, or switching between tasks without making real progress. By defining 2 or 3 meaningful tasks each day, you create focus. Over time, these small daily actions accumulate and lead to measurable results. Another important habit is dedicating time each day to learning. The internet economy changes rapidly. New tools, strategies, and platforms appear regularly, and the people who succeed online are usually those who keep improving their knowledge. This does not mean you need to spend the entire day studying. Even 30 to 60 minutes of focused learning each day can make a significant difference over time. You can use educational resources from platforms like YouTube, professional networks such as LinkedIn, or digital learning platforms like Coursera to expand your skills. The key is not just consuming information but applying what you learn. When learning becomes part of your daily routine, your abilities improve steadily, and this increases your value in the online marketplace. Another powerful habit is the practice of creating something consistently. Many online income opportunities are directly linked to visibility and output. Freelancers need portfolios, content creators need videos or posts, and digital entrepreneurs need products or services to offer. By creating something each day, whether it is a blog post, a short video, a design, a marketing idea, or a portfolio sample, you gradually build assets that can generate opportunities. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube reward consistent creators by giving their content more exposure over time. This means that the more consistently you produce valuable content or work samples, the higher your chances of being discovered by potential clients or audiences. Another daily habit that often leads to opportunities is networking. In the online world, relationships play a powerful role in career growth. Many freelancers find clients through referrals, collaborations, or conversations within professional communities. Spending a few minutes each day interacting with people in your field can help you build meaningful connections. This might involve responding to comments, sharing helpful insights, or participating in discussions on platforms like LinkedIn or X. Over time, these interactions build familiarity and trust. When someone in your network needs a service you provide, you are more likely to be remembered. Networking is not about aggressively promoting yourself. Instead, it is about contributing value and building relationships that grow naturally over time. One of the biggest obstacles to making money online faster is excessive distraction. Because online work happens on the same devices we use for entertainment, it can be very easy to lose focus. Notifications, social media scrolling, and random browsing can quickly consume hours that could have been used to learn, create, or complete important tasks. Many people start their work with good intentions, but they constantly switch between working and checking their phones or social media. This breaks concentration and slows down productivity. When your focus is constantly interrupted, even simple tasks begin to take much longer to complete. Successful people who earn money online often develop habits that help them protect their time and attention. This might include turning off unnecessary notifications, setting specific hours for focused work, or using simple techniques like working in short focused sessions with small breaks in between. When distractions are reduced, your productivity improves significantly. This means you can complete more meaningful work each day, which increases your chances of reaching your online income goals faster. Another helpful habit is reviewing your progress at the end of each day. When you work online, especially if you work independently, it is easy to stay busy without knowing whether you are actually making progress toward your goals. Taking a few minutes at the end of the day to reflect on what you accomplished can help you stay focused and organized. You can ask yourself simple questions such as, what did I complete today? What did I learn today? And what can I improve tomorrow? This habit helps you identify what is working and what is not. If you notice that certain activities are not helping you move forward, you can adjust your approach and focus more on tasks that bring real results. Daily reflection also helps you stay motivated because it allows you to see the small steps you are taking toward your goals. Perhaps the most important habit for making money online is staying consistent. Even when results are slow, many online income opportunities take time to grow. Whether you are freelancing, creating content, or building an online business, success rarely happens overnight. Because of this, many people give up too early. They put in effort for a short period and stop when they do not see immediate results. However, those who succeed online are usually the ones who continue showing up and doing the work consistently. Each day you spend learning, creating, and improving your skills adds to your experience and increases your chances of success. Over time, these small daily efforts begin to compound and produce real opportunities. Consistency allows your progress to build gradually until your efforts finally start turning into visible results. As we come to the end of this video, it is important to mention that making money online faster is rarely about discovering a secret method or a hidden shortcut. More often, it is about building the right habits and practicing them consistently over time. The daily routines we discussed in this video may seem simple, but they can have a powerful impact when practiced regularly. Each small action you take every day contributes to a larger system of growth. Over weeks and months, these habits help you improve your skills, expand your network, and create opportunities that can eventually turn into real online income. If you are serious about building success online, focus less on searching for the next big opportunity and more on developing habits that support long-term progress. I hope you learned something valuable from this video and gained useful insights that can help you improve your journey toward making money online. If you found this video helpful, please do well to support the channel by liking this video and sharing it with others who might also benefit from these tips. I would also love to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comment section below. Let me know which of these habits you plan to start practicing or if there are other topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.